Making friends can be hard, especially if you're shy or have trouble socializing. But don't worry! You can do lots of things to make friends and have fun. Here are some tips. 1. Join a club or activity that interests you. This is a great way to meet people with similar interests. 2. Be friendly and approachable. Smile, make eye contact, and strike up conversations with people you don't know. 3. Be a good listener. Really pay attention when others are talking and show that you care about what they're saying. 4. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. People will like you for who you are. 5. Offer help. If you see someone struggling, offer to help them out. This is a great way to make a new friend. 6. Be positive and upbeat. Nobody wants to be around a negative Nancy or Mr. Grumpy Pants. So try to stay positive and have a good attitude. 7. Be open to new things. If your friends want to try something new, go for it. You never know, you might end up liking it too. 8. Offer compliments. Everyone likes to feel good about themselves, so pay your friends compliments and let them know what you appreciate about them. 9. Be a good friend. Once you make friends, it's important to be a good one. Be there for your friends when they need you and treat them the way you want to be treated. Making friends can be hard, but it's worth it. These tips will help you make lots of new friends in no time. So get out there and start socializing!